A while back I did a video about how to fix eyelets and it got quite some views. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate further. So we have two types of bindings or tops you can put. So it's either with hooks or with eyelets. So in this video we are going to do the eyelets one. So you want to start by folding the sides and the bottom side, so that once you fix the eyelet, that is the last step that you are gonna do before now you attach them. The reason why you do this first is because you do not want to have problems to fix to fold the sides once you have already fixed the eyelets. So this folding comes first. So now when you're done, you will fold a little bit of the tape that you're gonna attach the eyelets to, and then now you will fix it on the curtains. So guys, in this video it is just a demo, so I am not going to waste a lot of tape. I just did like maybe a quarter or slightly much more of a quarter of a meter, just to demonstrate and just so that I don't get to waste that tape. So once you attach it on the top side, be very careful because the bottom side can run and you'll have something that is not proportional. So now once you fold the two sides and finish, you will measure 1.5 of an inch from the end. That will be the first place where you'll have your eyelet fixed. And then from the bottom side I did a half of a centimeter. You fold it into two. So you use the ring to make the round hole, and then you fold it into two, and then you cut slightly outside of the curtain, like the way I'm doing, not the curtain but the ring, like the way I'm doing. So now once you're done, you will have a perfect round hole, and then now you open the rings and you fix them. So I hope that this is clear enough, and you will repeat the process for the rest of the rings. And by the way guys, this thing is easy to remove if you are washing in a washing machine. So the standard length to fix your eyelets is 20 centimeters. That is what I was marking here. So guys, do not mark your curtains. I'm just doing this. I'm just doing the marking because it is for demonstration purposes only. But do not mark your curtains. I mean, they'll be dirty and the marks will be a little hard to come off. Not unless you are using a sewing chalk, which can easily be removed. So make sure that when you're fixing the eyelets, they are as proportional as they can be. One thing you can do is measure half the length of the fabric or of the curtain, and know at what distance you'll be fixing them. So normally when you're buying them, they do 5 rings per 1 meter. Oh, I'm also demonstrating that if you have this machine, then you can use that measurement down below. So the distance is normally, like, they normally put 5 rings, but for me I prefer 6, so that when I fix on the curtain rod, they look proportional. So I find that 5 looks unproportional to me. But then again, if I have 2 meters, then I'll fix 5 per meter, and that one will give me 10 rings, and that will be very proportional. So that is it on this tutorial. I hope that you have learned something, and thank you for watching. Bye.